Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to do this very easy and very quick slip stitch binding. This is probably the easiest border or binding that you can work in crochet. So let's get started. I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday and other videos in between. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns there, and many of them are free, or on my Etsy site. HectaFavorites is my name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns there. To start, insert your hook into the first stitch, pull the yarn through, chain 1, slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 1, slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 1, slip stitch in the next stitch, like that. So I'm going to go ahead and work to the corner, and I'll show you what to do at the corner. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked all the way up to the corner. To turn the corner, we'll work 1 stitch in the corner, chain 1, and work another stitch in the same corner stitch. And then you can just go ahead and work down the other side. Like that. And there you have a very sturdy, very easy binding. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.